What's going on, Honda Nation? It's me, Chaston from Honda Magic. I got a really quick one for you this time. So, you got your hands full. You just came out of the grocery store. Both your arms got tons of groceries in them. You're having trouble getting the key fob out of your pocket, but hey, you remember, that's all right. I got keyless entry on my vehicle. So, just to show you guys, gonna make sure that vehicle is locked on up. So once again, I got my arms full of groceries. We come over to unlock the doors. I just put my hand on it. Unlocks just like that. Now I come around to the back door. I've got my arms full of groceries. Oh, what the heck? Why isn't this door unlocked? You got your passenger on this side of the vehicle. They really want to get in. They're starting to get annoyed with you. They really want you to unlock the vehicle, but you're still having problems getting the key fob. You get all the doors unlocked. Now, this isn't an infomercial, so I'm sure you guys would be able to figure it out eventually, but why don't I show you how to unlock all 4 of the doors with keyless entry? That's right. As soon as you put your hand on the door handle, all 4 doors will unlock for you. First thing you want to do is head into that settings menu that I showed you last time, guys. Settings menu is amazing. You can adjust everything from here, from your clock, your info, to your camera, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connection, your smartphone settings, everything, guys. I showed you the system panel last time, but this time we're going to show you the vehicle options. So we can do tire pressure monitor, sensor calibration, driver assist system setup, meter setup, driver position setup. The one I want to show you guys, keyless access setup right there. So we got some great things in here. Remote start system on and off, so you can turn off your remote start if you wanted to. Door unlock mode, this is the one I want to talk about, guys. So very simple, easy. You got 2 options, driver door only. So once again, you put your hand on the door handle, the driver door unlocks, or we can set it to all doors. Set door unlock mode to all doors, yes. So all doors has now been selected, as you can see. Let's go ahead and give that a try. So once again, we're gonna make sure all those doors are locked, double tap it, make sure that she's good to go. We come up with the key fob in my pocket, one hand on the door handle. Ooh, that was a lot louder click than last time. Driver door is open. Back door is open. All 4 doors should be open. 5 if you include the hatch. So again, super easy to do, guys. We'll change that back to driver side only. Trying to keep my system pretty much default. Keyless access light flash. So we'll show you a few different things here. So if you don't want your vehicle to be blinking in the night when you're hitting your key fob, letting everyone know out there that, hey, my vehicle just unlocked, you can turn that off from there. You can also set it to beep. That way, in case you're in the habit of walking away from your vehicle with your back turned and hitting that lock button, you'll hear a nice good beep letting you know that your vehicle is locked. Few different options there in the vehicle settings, lighting settings, door window setup, power tailgate setup, and maintenance information, but we won't get into too much of that today, guys. If you want to know more about the stuff, let me know, but really this is more things that you can find in your user manual. I don't really need to get into too much detail about tire pressure monitor calibrations and stuff like that. I don't really know much about these kind of things. If I don't really need to be messing with it, you probably don't really need to be messing with it too much either. But it's all there for you guys, just in case you want to take advantage of it. Lots of really good stuff in here. So thank you again, guys, for viewing this tutorial video. Hope you learned something new. We'll be back next time to show you even more tips and tricks with the CRV.